guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will do a quick review of the 270-degree awning from OVS, Overland Vehicle System. I have this for almost 2 years. I've used it, never removed it. It does go on the Gobi rack. Let's get into the details and find out how I like this awning after using it for 2 years. All right, so as you guys saw, it takes about less than 3 minutes to deploy this awning. It's a 270-degree awning from OVS. I had it for almost 2 years now. Used it in light wind, rain, obviously mostly in the sun. It's awesome, gives you shade, gives you, this area, this whole area is protected. And also you can have walls attached to it to cordon off this whole area should you choose to. I don't have the walls. I have it installed about 2 years ago, like I said, on the Gobi rack. So let me show you some of the details on some of the modifications I have done to this. But overall, I'm very happy with it. Like I said, I've been using it for 2 years, never removed it, it's always on. I'm really happy at the price point, about less than $900. I think it's well worth the money. So if you're looking for something that's functional, does a job, I think this is a very good unit to go with. So like I said, I have connected it to my Gobi rack or mounted it to my Gobi rack. I'm using 3 of the brackets that come with the awning. So one, that's the second one, and this is the third one right here. And basically I have it connected to the top this bar on the Gobi rack. So as the Gobi rack has dual bars, I have connected it to the top one, and this is held up pretty good. Go overlanding, off-roading, in the highway, never seen any issue. Awesome. The other thing I've done is, you have seen, may have seen my previous videos, is I did some lighting on it. So this is Amazon product, right? It gets stick to these bars. So what I did is I did it on all of them, right? Right here, throughout on all of these. And what happens is I have a connection that's coming from the battery. So this connection is always here. And then this connection is, it gets tucked in with the awning, right? And these, by the way, come with these lightings when you get it. I got, I think, 2 strips. So these come with it. So that's great. In addition, for additional safety, I've also added this switch here. It's a very low profile, gives you the dimming, gives you the, the throwing. And so there's stuff that you can do. But more importantly, the reason I have it is to have another source. I can turn it off from here. So I don't have all the time live current here. So I turn it off from here, and then that's it, right? So the way I did the awning, the lighting, is every single one of these light, when you connect it, it has an endpoint. And so it's just serial connection, all of them. Didn't do the prettiest of jobs here, but you get the point, right? I'm sure you guys, if you take this, do it by yourself, I'm sure you guys will do a much better job, a much cleaner job than me. But for me, it's 2 years, held up pretty good. It works every time. So when I open it, all I need to do is connect this one to this one. There. So there's a couple of settings that you can have on this. This comes with the 3 poles attached. As you can see, that's 1, that's 2, it's 3. These just get velcroed here. These are always with the awning, so you can just attach these and lock it up. But then they're also coming with 3 additional poles. And the two straps, one in the front, that one, and one in the back where you attach the awning right there. Um, these all stay on top, you know, under the cover. So everything can be basically stowed away and within the awning cover. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, I'm really happy with it. You know, I've used it a lot, used it in all kind of weathers, um, different, you know, rain, sun, uh, wind by the beach. Holds up pretty good. Like I said, you know, you can attach walls to it. I don't have the walls. I haven't opted for those. But if there's wind, you know, you do want to stake it down. You know, they have um, tie-dye points in all these areas, so you can just stake it down to for extra security. Also, another thing too, the way my configuration is, so if I can open this, the way my configuration is, when this goes up, I don't want it to be interfering. I also wanted enough space here. That's just about enough space here. If this is open, I can open the window and stuff like that on the back. So that is just, but I could easily move it a couple of inches more. But I think I'm happy with it. This gives me this area, gives me the kitchen area, gives me like it gives me enough coverage from the elements. So yeah, and the lights is a extra touch to it. I have done a video on this if you guys want to follow and do something on your own about the awning. But really good quality fabric, you know, and like I said, you can't beat it for the price point. $850 is I think what I paid. It goes for like around $900. Overall, I'm very happy with it. The cover holds up pretty good. The zips are seems good quality, you know. So it's like I said, second year it's going, and it's going strong. This is a long-term review. I've done the installation of every component in my Jeep, but I'm actually planning to give a review, my take on some of these products that I've been using. And awning is one of those. I'm happy with it. I think it's good. So far, I haven't seen any flaw really to mention that, you know, you shouldn't buy it because of this or that. So really happy with it. And again, the price point is key here, right? So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much.